WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Xero, Shopify, BigCommerce, Squarespace, DreamHost, Webflow, HubSpot, Jimdo, Webnode, Volusion, Drupal, Magento, Joomla. Wow. These options of website building platforms are almost as diverse and overwhelming as the names these website builders have. Between you and me, they just sound like a bunch of Hostess snack cakes, am I right? Ding Dong Twinkies, Zingers, Weeblies, Ho-Ho, Snowballs, Zeros. These names crack me up. In this video lesson, I'm going to take a few moments to review various website building platforms I like and when I use them. The reason for including this review in this video series is simply this. Jarvis can generate wonderful copy and content for your website, but if you show up to a track race in high heels, you aren't going anywhere. What I mean is, you have to have the right website builder in place for your needs before we can fill it full of Jarvis-powered copy. Otherwise, you may never translate viewers into customers. When you're choosing a website building platform for your next website, you should strongly consider your end goal, meaning what is the purpose of this website. Here's how I like to think of categorizing those purposes of websites and the various website builders available to you on the internet and how I have found them to be helpful in certain scenarios. The main three categories of websites that I see on the internet are either blogs, informative sites, or e-commerce sites. Now, before you get upset, many websites will contain one or more of those categories, but most likely there is one major category that those websites will identify with. It's important for you to think about what functionality you want your website to have based on that identity. Meaning, if you are selling shoes or jewelry online, you will want to make sure your site is built with a strong e-commerce website builder. And equally, if you have a travel site that shares your experiences through blogging, well, you need a strong blogging website builder. The beauty of today's website building world is that there are website builders to assist you no matter the site you are looking to build. And here are a few of my favorite site builders and when I use them. First, let's talk about the biggest and most certainly the most popular website builder and blogging platform out there, WordPress. WordPress has been the godfather of the website building platforms for some time and is probably the number one overall choice no matter the category. WordPress has changed the game and allowed folks to build custom websites without requiring them to know much coding or technical skills, if any. WordPress is the best choice out there for folks who want to build a custom website but still have some assistance when designing and building it. I use WordPress to build the bulk of the websites I design and develop. And the reason for this is that I need a large amount of freedom for my website building to allow me to build sites exactly how I want them. WordPress has endless options of plugins and custom theme packages that allow you to build really anything for the most part. It also has the largest array of SEO and backend plugins and tools available to you, which we all know is extremely important. WordPress does take some learning to understand the basics and requires consistent attention for updates, but I think most folks out there will be happiest with a WordPress site once you learn how to build with it. It is the best choice if you want a custom website with multiple functionalities, such as an informative site that has a blog built into it, or a blog site with an e-commerce shop in it. My second favorite website building platform is Wix. Wix is probably the easiest platform to learn, and quite frankly, if you need a website in an hour, Wix is the place to go. I use Wix for clients who need a solid, informative website about who they are, their services, and how to contact them. While Wix has a large amount of features for a monthly cost, it generally lacks the massive library of plugins and tools found for WordPress sites. I also use Wix for clients who want me to build them a site and then not touch it again for some time. Wix and other drag and drop builders like it, such as Squarespace and Weebly, do a good job of maintaining the sites on their platform and keep the security features updated as well. This way your client's website doesn't crash 3 months after you build it, because that's a phone call you don't want to get, trust me. Wix is once again a solid choice if you're looking to pick a theme or look, create a few pages, drop in some photos and text, and then deliver a site to the world with a minimal amount of effort and still get great results. Finally, the third platform out there is Shopify. Shopify is my choice of the e-commerce platforms. It's simple to understand and you can set it up quickly and effectively. For folks who are considering building an e-commerce site, have you thought about how you're going to handle your online inventory system, shipping integration, or email marketing? Well, Shopify includes all of these features and does a great job of getting folks who want a great looking website up and going quickly with not much of a learning curve to be had. The largest drawback of Shopify is the templates and the minimal amount of change you can make to a template you choose. They do have a variety of good looking templates and themes, but for the most part, you're kind of stuck with what they give you. One cool feature about Shopify sites is that they do have a blog portion built into their sites, which can obviously help with SEO results. And like Wix, Shopify does have a library of plugins you can purchase as well to help you with various needs you might have within your site. So these are my three options when building a website, but please know every client and situation is different and you should carefully look at all the options online before proceeding with your website build out. So now that we have gone over my favorite website building platforms, let's take a look at how Jarvis can be used with any website builder out there and help you deliver a robust and powerful website for you and your clients.